Hello everybody, welcome back to my tutorial series on WooCommerce discounts. In this video, we're going to learn how to use the same coupon code to create different discounts. Alright. Well, we're going to use the popular WooCommerce discount plugin called Discount Rules Pro for WooCommerce to create such discounts. Before we get into the video, please make sure you have downloaded, installed and activated the Discount Rules Pro plugin on your site. If you haven't done this yet, then please do not worry because we have a video that can help you to install the Discount Rules plugin which we have posted already. You can find the link to download the plugin as well as the tutorial video in the description below. Feel free to check the description below for further details. With that being said, let's get started. If you are trying to provide different discounts with a unique coupon code, then this video is the one you should be watching. Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a single coupon code that applies different discounts on different categories on your store. Alright, to begin with, we're going to go to the WordPress dashboard. Under WooCommerce, you'll find Woo Discount Rules. Now if you click on Add New Rule, you'll be able to set your new rule. Alright, the scenario that we're trying to create is we're going to create a coupon code, single coupon code, which is named as Discount 2023, and this coupon code applies different discounts on different categories. For example, 10% discount on the first category, 25% discount on the second category, and so on. Alright, so to do this, we will have to create rules one by one. So the first rule that we're going to create is a 10% discount on category. The category's name is accessories. So 10% discount will fall on accessories category only if the coupon code is used. What is the coupon code? The coupon code is nothing but discount 2023. Alright, nice. After we enter a suitable title, let's select the discount type to be product adjustment for this case. And then here we get to choose the products that are eligible for this specific discount. As said, it's going to be accessories category, isn't it? So let's go to the filter here, click on the drop down below, select category in list and then accessories here. Nice. After you select the specific category, you can move and select discount type and its value. I'm going to set percentage discount to 10 as discussed earlier. After we set the discount type and value, it's important for us to now create this coupon code. Okay, to create a coupon, we have to click on add condition. From the drop down below, we are going to select coupons, and then here we are going to select create your own coupon and then enter the coupon's name. As said, it's going to be discount 2023, isn't it? After you enter the coupon code's name, you can just click on save and close. Now we have successfully created the first rule, which applies 10% off on a specific category name accessories. Let's go ahead, use the same coupon code and create another discount rule where discount falls on a different category. Alright, so let's go, click on add new rule to create a fresh rule. Now let's enter a title, 25% off on the second category. The category's name is casual wear. Okay, using the same coupon code, which is going to be discount 2023. Let's go. Now let's select the discount type to be product adjustment, and here we will have to decide the products that are eligible for this specific discount, which is going to be a category. So let's click on this drop down below and select category, enlist and select the specific category, which is casual wear. Amazing. After which we're going to select the discount type and the value. As said, it's going to be 25%. So let's set the discount type to percentage discount and set the value to 25. Alright. Well, here comes the important step. Now it's important for us to use the same coupon code, isn't it? To do this, we're going to again go to add condition. From the drop down below, we're going to select coupons. And then you can again use create your own coupon here, and here enter the coupon's name, which is the same coupon, discount 2023. Alright, that is it. Let's go ahead and save this particular rule. Now you can notice that we have used same coupon code for the two different discounts that we have created, which falls on different categories. Alright, now it's time to test this specific rule. So to do this, I'm going to take you to the storefront. Here is the storefront. Let's go to accessories category first and add some products. Accessories categories qualify for this rule, isn't it? So let us select sunglass, add it to our cart. Alright, nice. Now the next category that we would like to add is casual wear, isn't it? Because that qualifies for the discount. So we're going to the casual wear category and add any product to the cart. I'm going to add this hoodie with logo to cart. Yes, done. Now let me take you to the cart page and show you what happens. Right now we do not see any discount applied here. One thing to remember is we have added products from different categories. One belongs to the accessories category, which is sunglasses, and the other, hoodie with logo, belongs to the casual wear category. Both of them have different discounts, isn't it, using the same coupon code. So let's enter the coupon code and see what happens. Sunglasses should receive 10% off because it belongs to the accessories category, and hoodie with logo should receive 25% off because it belongs to the casual wear category. Alright, so let's go ahead and enter discount 2023 here. Click on apply coupon and you will be able to see that two different discounts are applied using the same coupon code. Alright, sunglasses have received 10% off, and then hoodie with logo has received 25% off using the same coupon code, which is discount 2023. That is it. This is how we apply different discounts using the same coupon code. Thank you so much for watching.